Mohan got an invitation for lunch at Rahman's house. Now, he decided to arrive a bit early so that he can play a bit before having lunch. Now, as he was about to enter, he noticed that Rahman's father was going out to buy groceries. Now, even at your home, somebody must be responsible for buying groceries. For example, at my home, my mother goes to buy groceries. In some families, the father buys the groceries, and in some families, they order online, while in others, any member who gets time buys the groceries. Now, so you see, in different types of families, different people buy the groceries. Now, what do we exactly buy in the groceries? Well, Rahman's father bought a variety of things, right from spices to fruits and vegetables, even eggs and fish. Now, have you ever checked groceries in your kitchen? Well, if you notice, you will see that groceries in your home is very different from Rahman's house, because groceries are purchased according to the food habit of the family. For example, if you eat more chapatis or rotis, then you will have more packets of atta in your groceries. While if you eat more rice at your home, then you will have more packets of rice. So, similarly, every family has different set of groceries according to their food habits. Now, once Mohan entered the house, he saw Zareen, who was Rahman's aunt's daughter. Now, Mohan loved kids, so he started playing with her. And after playing with Zareen for a long time, it was time for lunch. So Mohan said, let's go for lunch and let's take Zareen along with us. Well, at that time, Zareen's mother, that is Rahman's aunt, mentioned that Zareen cannot have the same type of food which Mohan or Rahman will have. That's because she is very small and currently she only drinks milk. So you see, children who are very small, that is below 6 months, they usually have only milk for food. Do you know that milk is a complete food in itself? And when they have milk, they get all the required nutrients for their body so that they can grow. Now, after kids grow a bit older, that is when they are around 6 months old, then they slowly start having some solid food. But even now, they haven't developed good amount of teeth in their mouth. So they usually have pasted food. Now, have you noticed that there are some other members in the family too who have pasted food? Let's see who they are. Well, just like kids, even older people in the family who do not have enough teeth in their mouth also have pasted food. So what exactly happens is, when you are very small, you don't have enough teeth in your mouth. So you have pasted food. And as you grow up, you develop good amount of teeth, and then you can have any type of food you want. But as you grow older, you start losing all your teeth because they become very weak. And when they become weak and you lose all your teeth, then you again need to have pasted food because you cannot chew your food properly. So even older people in the family have pasted food just like kids. So infants of the age 6 months have rice and dal paste. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, definitely they have rice and dal paste because they are very small and they do not have enough teeth in their mouth. As a result, they have rice and dal in pasted form. So it is a true statement. Now, once Mohan sat on the table for having lunch, he noticed a very interesting thing, which usually does not happen in his family. That is, everybody was serving the food. Now, in his family, his mother used to serve the food. But in this case, everybody is serving the food. So that is something which he noticed and was very different from his own family. Now, in different families, different people serve food. So in my family, usually my mother serves the food. While in many other families, any other member of the family may serve the food. And in some places and in some families, the house help serves the food. So in different families, different people serve food. Now, another interesting thing which he noticed is that Sohail Bhaiya was having 4 eggs. Now, why was he having such a huge amount of eggs? Well, Rahman mentioned that Sohail Bhaiya is a bodybuilder. And so, he needs to have good amount of meat and eggs in his food so that he can grow stronger. So, there are some members in the family who have non-vegetarian food such as meat and eggs so that they can grow stronger. Now, Mohan also noticed that Rahman's elder sister was only having salads and soup for lunch. Now, Rahman answered that his elder sister works in television. And as a result, she needs to look good always. Healthy food makes you look good. And that's why she is having healthy food such as salads and soup. So you see, some food are more healthier than other. For example, if we compare baked food and fried food, definitely baked food will be more healthy compared to fried food. So even if fried food would appeal you more or you may find it more tasty, it won't be healthy enough as compared to baked food. So people in the family who prefer healthy food usually have more of baked food than fried food. Now, another important thing which Mohan noticed was that everybody in Rahman's family was having different amount of food. At his house, usually they eat fixed amount of food. But in Rahman's family, everybody ate different amounts of food according to their liking. Now, having fixed amount of food has some advantages. That is, if you have fixed amount of food every day, you don't overeat. But if you don't have a fixed amount of food, then you may eat something which you like more. As a result, it may harm your health. So, eating fixed amount of food is good. But different families have different traditions. So, some eat fixed amount of food while some eat variable amount of food. Now, another thing which amazed Mohan was that the food was prepared by both Rahman's father and mother together. Well, at his house, usually his mother prepares the food. But in case of Rahman's family, both mother and father together prepared the food. In fact, in every family, different type of people prepare the food. So in some families, mother prepares the food. In some families, fathers prepare the food. And in some families, house helps prepare the food. So in different families, different people prepare the food. So you see, when you go out to eat with a different family, then you will see that their traditions and their habit of eating will be different from yours. So in some cases, it will match yours. Well, in some other cases, you will see that their habits do not match with yours at all. So different families have different types of food habits and different types of preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.